alive. Get up. Come on. What? What's going on? Don't do this. Don't do this to me, man. Hey. This can't be, someone made a mistake. I need first aid fans for help. I had to wait, that chance I had to take. All on my own, blood and sweat I had to give. Even bruise a few bones to rock this microphone and say what he is saying. I work hard to be in this game that y'all steady playing. My life, I'm just relaying with no exaggerations. Paying my dues, staying humble and remaining patient. Praying one day I'll make it, but not for the fame. But I will take the fortune that's payment for my pain. Forever keeping the integrity within my name. See, I'm admired by Christ and targeted by Satan. Criticized by my peers and hated on by those who said I shouldn't make it. I gotta pull through. While you praying for Polo, send up one for me too. If I lose myself through all this, what I'm gonna do? Hey, 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 switch it up. Hey, 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 back to rapping. Hey, hey, yeah, 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 yeah. There is no other brother like me, the man himself I truly am. Catch me if you can, cause I stay in the wind, in the sky who flies him. But the pilot in the planes put my name on the cloud, so the Lord won't forget my name. I'll share with the world all this bottle pain. And if you need a refill, I'll spit it once again. So fluid how I do it, I'm macking with a slur. You can say it's Miller time, but I'll take a Heineken here, followed by a shot, then I pop a bottle. I lean, then I rock, yeah, as I take a swallow. She all on my jock, yeah, like it's no tomorrow. And I don't love these hoes, that's another brother's problem. I don't know what you've been told, but I have been recognized by those with real in the eyes. Stamp that, and you can bet that, never gotta sweat that. I just dust me off if I have a setback. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, so I snap to it like a snapback. I do it with class at the IC. I got that refreshing flow like an IV. I see they said I do it to dig, and when I get rich don't ask me for shit. Cause I remember when I was hungry and you was full. Who leg you tryna pull? Go ahead with all that bull. I'm hitting a whip but I stay slaving. I'm a mastermind and minding my business, no longer minimum waging. My stakes are high, the bar's raised. I'm good as long as I'm getting paid. I just need me a spin without getting played. I just wanna shine without you providing shade. Hey, where you think I got this tall glass of lemonade from? I got 99 problems, this here ain't one. It's on me to keep it G since day one. Shit, fun ahead. Let me see ya, let me hear ya, let me see ya, let me hear ya, let me see ya. Then the curtains undrape, cameraman rotate, sound man get me right while I get the crowd hype. Let me see ya, let me hear ya, let me see ya, let me hear ya, let me see ya. I just want the glory, don't you see me glowing? I be going forward, don't you see me going? Why ain't you cheering? I need to be on your energy and my adrenaline. Come on, I could use a boost while I'm in pursuit of this fame and fortune. I hope my mind don't go in a loop. I hope the ones closest say I didn't create distance. I hope my fake friends never come up missing. If you know anything about my verbiage, you get him. This is practice, I'm ready for the competition. My debut butterflies in my stomach, feeling like I'm gonna be 5 minutes. I am born. Send a prayer to the one who gave me what I'm about to put on. Yeah, the feeling's that great. I can't wait to see the look on the crowd's face. Then the curtains undrape, cameraman rotate. Hey, let me see your hands, let me see you wave them high. Let me see your hands, wave them side to side. Hey, let me see your hands, let me hear your hands, let me see your hands, let me hear ya. Then the curtains undrape, cameraman rotate, sound man get me right while I get the crowd hype. Hey, let me see your hands, let me hear your hands, let me see your hands, let me hear your hands, let me see ya. If I said it, then I meant it right. If I said it, then I did it right. If I got it, then I earned it right. What the hell you doing with your life? If I said it, then I meant it right. If I said it, then I did it right. If I got it, then I earned it, right? What the hell you doing with your life? Ain't nobody gonna tell me about this life I lead. Ain't nobody touching blood unless they wanna bleed. Ain't nobody changing me, can't nobody say I changed. It's a small difference between Mecca, Abdul, and Dwayne. All three of them who I am, only one of them you know. I got personality, funk, swag, and ego. Give me in, then I go. Give me some, give me more. Tell me what is it in for, I'm not with that stupid love. You should know that I stay down. You better have protection if you plan on fucking around with things good. Get messy, I done seen petty, I done seen bold. So I stay ready, yeah, hot unfroze. Things stay warm like a beast in the rage. Be smart if you don't see no leash or no cage. This is more than a phase, this is instinct. I'll kill a combo, any motherfucking beat, yeah. As we conclude, yeah, about that time, some of that, yeah. Put you in the mood, ease your mind. So what have you? What you got there? What have you? Take this rock. What have you? Wheels rolling while I'm staring. Cuz rolling, jams flaring. In your town, looking to get down and get it. So tell a friend to tell a friend. Pull off that medicine, that's what's up, doc. And it's gonna be a long night. Once it pop, and I do it for the thrill of it. And I'm gon' act bad, girl. Mike Jackson, thriller shit, the way you be killing it. Got me feeling so fabulous. Under these city lights, the feelings like Chad with us. I'm not a star, somebody lied, but you could be my fan. That's how cool I am, no lies. Like the ceiling fan, I ride like that. That's the mood I'm in, and you know I don't stop. All day I do awesome stuff, but I wear Nikes a lot. Either way, I guess it done. Either way, it's all fun. Ain't no game, who me, I can't complain. As long as my nights are filled and I stay entertained. Do you get the picture? Cause I stay in the frame and y'all cropped out or photoshopped in. I will never copy, no paste them. If I mimic disrespect, you dig, and all that jazz, need I not ask for an invitation? The party ain't a party till I come. Sorry if I kept you waiting, raise your glasses. It's a celebration, yeah.
Ships of an alien source are approaching from the sky. Radio contact has been attempted but cannot be established. Instructions are to prepare for an attack by an unknown enemy.
Hey, what it do? You know who I'm ready. Yeah, time to hold it down. Yeah, I'ma hold it steady. Won't you, what you, please don't praise me. I was one socket loose. Yeah, I'm going crazy. Not the shop at two, nor the dumbest fool. I just keep it me. Y'all just keep it cool. Y'all haters, we keep that hate. My mind on two things. That's driving on and keeping faith. You probably never heard his name. You probably never seen his face. Surely I'm here. Yeah, I stay up on my ready. On me, on my DMD. Give me other states, hold me down, yeah, you good. Give me a hug, head nod to the thug. Blessed to my rosters, I party on for my rock stars like every day my birthday. I been looking proper, like nothing wrong, you heard me. Shorty looking thirsty, and I ain't trying to quench a girl, I got a lady, but I'ma let my nigga hit you. Ain't you dealing with a gentleman? Anything less than class, I don't let him in. I set the mode on cruise, I pass the suckers pedaling. I'm trying to get that trophy to him with meddling. No time for meddling, my time for handling business. So if I ain't getting paid, then brother, I ain't with it. There's more to life than getting laid. Too bad it ain't more to these bitches. To who it may concern, it is the man himself. Hey, if you made it all the way through this, man, I appreciate you. I've been up as long as you've been listening to follow me, man, and none other brother. Just hit me at that piff. The man himself. Download that free music. Check out my YouTube. Mecca the man himself. And keep rocking with me, man. I'm gonna keep rocking for y'all. Yeah.